sent on leave amid the IPS V. Puran Kumar suicide case. The Haryana government has sent the state DGP on leave amid opposition's attack on the BJP dispensation over IPS officer V. Puran Kumar's alleged suicide and all the demands coming in by Kumar's family for action against the officers accused of harassing him. Late night development came days after the state government had transferred Narendra Bijarnia, the then Rohtak superintendent of police. So more details are coming in as far as the suicide of the IPS Y. Puran Kumar is concerned. The Haryana government has sent the state DGP Shatrujit Kapoor on leave amid the opposition's attack on the BJP dispensation over IPS officer Puran Kumar's alleged suicide and the demands coming in by his family. The family had demanded action against the officers who were accused of harassing Puran Kumar. Let's listen in to the soundbite coming in.
सीएम साहब ने कहा सी बड़ा सीरियस बड़ा ये चिंता की गल आ वो अपना टूर भी बड़ा शॉर्ट एकदम करके उन्होंने नाल ही गए कोई IAS ते अज उन्होंने कहा भी होर बड़ी गंभीरता नाल कुछ फैसले आ जिहड़े वो अज ले जाने इन्नी गल साडी जरूर उन्होंने नाल होई है असीं भी सारे ने चिंता प्रगटाई साडे प्रधान उन्होंने चिंता प्रगटाई ते उन्होंने गल किया भी अज जिहड़ा है उहदे उत्ते कई सीरियस जिहड़ियां गलबात वो चल रही है ते अज उहदे विच कोई ना कोई रिजल्ट आ जिहड़ा वो निकले।
वरिष्ठ पद पे एक ऐसे होनहार IPS अधिकारी को ऐसा कदम उठाना पड़ा हो तो आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि क्या चल रहा था। और उसके बाद क्योंकि न्याय में विलंब हुआ, उनके विलंब के बाद उनकी धर्मपत्नी जो स्वयं एक वरिष्ठ IAS अधिकारी हैं हरियाणा कैडर में, उन्होंने पुलिस में कंप्लेंट दी, चंडीगढ़ पुलिस में, जिस कंप्लेंट में जातिगत उत्पीड़न के आरोप लगे और आरोपियों में जो कानून व्यवस्था के मुख्य संरक्षक हैं, पुलिस के वरिष्ठतम अधिकारी हैं, उनका नाम उस कंप्लेंट में आया। देश ये न्याय चाहता है और न्याय तब होगा जब निष्पक्ष जांच होगी और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
And viewers, let me go across to my colleague Lalit joining us for more details. Lalit, what do we have as for the latest development coming in? Because the Haryana DGP has been sent on leave amid the IPS Puran Kumar's suicide case. What is next expected in this matter?
It's been the 8th day of the IPS Y. Puran suicide, abatement of suicide, and in the past 8 days, if you talk about the family has not given the consent for the post-mortem, and till now what they are demanding that until the DGP of Haryana Shatrujit Kapoor and SP Rohtak Narendra Bijarnia is not being suspended and terminated and not being arrested, till then they will not give any sort of consent for the post-mortem. Apart from that, if you talk about today, big political activities could be seen as the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi would be coming and reaching their residence at around 10:15 AM and would offer the condolence. Apart from that, the Union Minister Chirag Paswan would also be reaching at their place by 10:15. So right now the Chandigarh police, the Haryana government is trying to pursue and trying to convince the family to give the consent for the post-mortem so that the next course of investigation could be proceeded. But the family is very much adamant by the fact that until the DGP and the SP are not being suspended and are not being arrested, while in the FIR their names is not being introduced as the main accused. Till then, their protest would remain as the same. Apart from that, the 31-member committee which has been formed in this case by the family, they have also given an ultimatum of forfeit, which would also end in the evening. So there has been a lot of pressure, especially on the Haryana government, as from the past 8 days, number of delegation, number of the cabinet ministers and union ministers have reached their place. Bureaucratic officers have reached their place, but till now, no conclusion, the debt has not been handed. So, in this whole case, from the past 8 days, there has been a lot of hiccups, but the family is very much adamant by the fact that until the DGP and the SP is not being terminated and arrested, in the FIR, the stringent ST Act is not being invoked. Till then, their protest would continue the same as it is being continuing from the past 8 days. Back to the studio.
Lalit, stay on with us as we listen into what exactly the family is saying. Amit Ratan, who is the brother of Amneet P. Kumar, alleges that the body was taken to the PGI against the family wishes. The family has said that the cremation will not be done until a fair probe is conducted.
हमारे बिना पूछे इन्होंने बॉडी शिफ्ट की है, ठीक है। हमारे साथ धक्का हो रहा है। एक डीजीपी लेवल का बंदा मर गया, ठीक है। 5 दिन हो गए, हमें इंसाफ नहीं मिला। आप लोग हमारे साथ रहना। हमारे बिना पूछे इन्होंने बॉडी शिफ्ट की है, ठीक है। हमारे साथ धक्का हो रहा है। एक डीजीपी लेवल का बंदा मर गया, ठीक है। 5 दिन हो गए, हमें इंसाफ नहीं मिला। आप लोग हमारे साथ रहना।
DGP Y Puran suicide case, it had been 5 days, but still the family has not given the consent to do the post-mortem and to do the cremation. From the past 5 days, the dead body of ADGP Y Puran Singh is being in the ADGP Y Puran suicide case. It has been 5 days. Till now, the body of the deceased ADGP has not been cremated and the family has not given any sort of consent for doing the post-mortem. There are allegations from the family side and from the Congress leaders that without the consent of the family, the dead body of the deceased ADGP Y Puran Singh was being shifted from Sector 16 Government Hospital to PGI. Clear cut, there are allegations from the family side that until the FIR is not being registered against the DGP Haryana Shatrujit Singh Kapoor and the SP Rohtak Narinder Birjania, till then the post-mortem and the cremation of the ADGP will not be done. Apart from that, if we talk about in the 9 pages suicide note, there are allegations that the ADGP was humiliated on the casteist remarks, and due to which on 7th October, on the fateful day, this whole incident triggered in which he committed suicide. Apart from that, if we talk about, there are allegations from the family side that the FIR which has been registered, in which the names of 14 IAS and IPS officers have been mentioned, it seems to be done diluted as the main allegations on the people, that is the DGP and SP Rohtak, has not been mentioned in the FIR.
Lalit continues to join me. Lalit, as we were listening in to that soundbite of the family as well, they are very much in pain and anguish as well. And they have clearly mentioned that the cremation will not be done until a fair probe is conducted. What are we expecting next as far as the family is concerned in this case?
हमारे बिना पूछे इन्होंने बॉडी शिफ्ट की है, ठीक है। हमारे साथ धक्का हो रहा है। एक डीजीपी लेवल का बंदा मर गया, ठीक है, 5 दिन हो गए हमें इंसाफ नहीं मिला। आप लोग हमारे साथ रहना।
The body remains in the PGI where until a fair probe is not being done, the protest of the family would remain the same. Right now, what we are also learning from a reliable source is that late night there is a development that the DGP Haryana Shatrujit Singh Kapoor has been sent on leave, while Narendra Birjania, the SP Rohtak, has already been transferred around 3 days before, when the family had showed their grievances in this whole matter, that the name of the main two accused, as per the family, which triggered the abatement for suicide by the ADGP Y. Puran Singh, as he committed suicide on 7th October in the afternoon around 1:45 p.m. at his residence in Sector 11. The main cause were the DGP Haryana Shatrujit Kapoor and the SP Rohtak Narendra Birjania. So there has been a lot of hiccups. The Chandigarh police and the Haryana government is trying to convince the family that a fair probe and investigation would be done, as per the last suicide note which has been recovered near the dead body on 7th October. As per that, the FIR has been registered against all the persons whose names have been mentioned in the final note, that is the suicide note. So there has been names of 14 IS and IPS officers, and what family is demanding that the two main accused, what triggered ADGP Y. Puran Singh to commit suicide, as he was being humiliated on the caste basis, that was the DGP Haryana Shatrujit Kapoor and SP Rohtak Narendra Birjania. So ADGP Y. Puran's wife, who is also an IS, Avneet P. Kaur, has clearly stated and have given a complaint regarding this to the Chandigarh DGP as well as to the Haryana government, that a fair probe needs to be done in this whole matter, and the main two accused, DGP Haryana Shatrujit Kapoor and SP Rohtak Narendra Birjania, should be suspended and terminated and arrested. Back to the studio.
Right, so Lalit, appreciate you joining us with those details.